don't have to look at the camera, you can just eat. Yes, I am absolutely insane. I wish I could zoom in on the apple. Hold on.
You mean stop eating?
Show us the apple. Oh, that's not small. Hold